Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to change default font size in Excel. So guys, if you want to change default font size in Excel, so very easy. Firstly, open Excel. Click on Excel. After click on File and click on Options. And here option font size you will see, and if you want to big size, so click on 28. After click on OK, and here please close and restart Microsoft Excel so that the font change can take effect. Okay, after close and restart Excel. This is big size. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change default font size in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.